Harmony Skillman from Paradise Travel here. I'm at the Loews Royal Pacific Resort at the beautiful Universal Orlando. And I'm gonna give you a room tour of room, where are we? 2725. We are in Tower 2. And this is a pretty standard room. I have some groceries that I bought on the way here. You could also do Instacart or Amazon, Whole Foods delivery. And it's a pretty standard room. It's gonna be me and my partner here for a conference this week. And we have the bathroom. I really like the gray decor. And a nice shower. So it's be great for family, the tub and a shower, and it's separate so someone can be out here getting ready. A nice big mirror. Looks like we have a closet in here. Yeah. Oh, safe. Yeah, I always like to find a safe. You always should lock up your valuables. And this looks like it's connecting to another room. So if you have a larger family, that would be great. Nice big TV here. Looks like there's lots of drawer. Oh, my finger. No one wants to see that. There should be a fridge in here. Oh, I got the coffee. Yep, because we're going to be here for a conference all week. You know, I am a full service travel agent. I am a Universal specialist, and I love booking Universal trips. And this is actually my go-to hotel for Universal, because when you stay at this hotel, and it's a gorgeous hotel with a Hawaiian theme, it's called the Royal Pacific, so it's like the South Pacific, you get the express pass included with your park ticket. So I was at the parks all day yesterday. I had a great time. The Harry Potter Wizarding World is amazing. I'm gonna try to take some videos when I go back either tonight or tomorrow. And Universal, I gotta get my kids here. They haven't been, but I think baby girl is now finally big enough. And I'm gonna pop on here and say hi. I'm Harmony Skillman. I'm a full service travel agent with Paradise Travel, an all female travel agency with no fees and great service. And if you are interested in booking an upcoming vacation, Universal, Disney, all-inclusives, cruises, we do it all. Just reach out, harmony@yourparadisevacation.com, or you can message me here. You can check out my socials, or right now they're at Mama to Go. I have them all linked below, and I look forward to posting some more Universal content. I'm here all week. Give me a shout, and I'll see you later, friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching. And be sure to like and subscribe.